This is where peace resides, in the woods. This is where it's at. This is the perfect place to heal, the perfect place to find peace, the perfect place to find mental clarity, and be free from that inner noise, that inner voice, that critical inner voice, to find freedom from the chaos in the world, the chaos in your mind, and to choose to heal. Choose to feel the uncomfortable, to lean in to the discomfort. And move forward with a clearer mind and a deeper connection to yourself, knowing exactly how to move forward.
Do you see that? The wind stopped.